Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Discord account and server security settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Discord website or open the Discord app on your device. Click on the login button located in the top right corner if you already have an account. If you're new to Discord, select the register option to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address, username, and password. Once you've completed the form, click on the Continue button. You will receive an email verification link in your inbox. Open that email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. After verifying, return to the Discord app or website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, take a moment to secure your account settings. Click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner to access user settings. Select the Privacy and Safety tab from the menu on the left. Adjust your settings for direct messages and friend requests according to your preferences. Next, navigate to the Account section to enable two-factor authentication. Click on Enable Two-Factor Auth and follow the prompts to set it up. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Now, let's set up server security settings. If you're the server owner, click on the server name at the top left. From the drop-down menu, select Server Settings. Under the Moderation tab, you can set the verification level for new members. Choose a higher verification level to ensure that only legitimate users can join. Next, navigate to the Roles tab to manage permissions for members. Create roles with specific permissions to control who can access certain channels. Make sure to assign roles appropriately to maintain order within the server. You can also set up a moderation bot for additional security. Bots can help manage spam and enforce rules effectively. Regularly review your security settings to keep your account and server safe. By following these steps, you can successfully create your Discord account and enhance your server's security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.